Hello and welcome to Ajay Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on global commodities. This week, we are focusing on the sugar market, where prices have surged due to significant developments in major producing countries. Sugar prices experienced a strong rebound in the week ending August 30th, with futures reaching a 7-week high. This rally is primarily driven by growing concerns over declining production in Brazil, one of the world's largest sugar producers, and the impact of adverse weather conditions. In Brazil, wildfires have devastated sugarcane fields in the northern part of São Paulo, a key sugar-producing region. These fires have led to a downward revision of the 2024-25 sugar production forecast by Brazil's government crop agency, CONAB. The agency now estimates sugar production at 42 million metric tons, down from the previous forecast of 42.7 million metric tons. The fires have caused substantial crop damage, affecting up to 80,000 hectares of sugarcane, according to industry sources. Additionally, record heat in Thailand is threatening sugarcane crops there, adding to the upward pressure on global sugar prices. However, on the other hand, optimism about India's sugar crop, bolstered by above-average monsoon rains, is helping to counterbalance these bullish factors. On Friday, raw sugar futures saw a decline due to profit-taking activities, coupled with the Brazilian real weakening against the US dollar. Despite this pullback, sugar prices still managed to end the week with a solid 5% gain, holding just below Thursday's 6-week high. The October raw sugar contract fell by 0.51 cents, or 2.6%, to settle at 19.38 cents per pound, down from the previous session's peak of 19.98 cents. In London, October white sugar futures also declined, closing at $546.80 per ton, down by 1.9%. The recent surge in sugar prices has been largely driven by concerns over the extensive fires in Brazil's center-south region. The damage to crops in São Paulo, Brazil's leading sugar-producing state, has been severe. Industry estimates suggest a potential loss of up to 5 million metric tons of sugarcane due to the fires. In addition to Brazil's production woes, the International Sugar Organization, ISO, has forecasted a global sugar deficit of 3.58 million metric tons for the 2024-25 season. This outlook is further compounded by India's decision to lift restrictions on sugar mills producing ethanol for the upcoming season. This move may prolong the country's sugar export curbs, which have been in place since October 2023 to ensure adequate domestic supplies. Meanwhile, speculative traders have been increasing their bearish positions on raw sugar futures. According to the latest data from the CFTC, funds have added 20,237 lots to their net short position, bringing it to 65,922 contracts as of August 20th. As we look ahead, traders are closely watching key support and resistance levels in the sugar market. With ongoing global supply uncertainties and broader economic factors in play, we can expect continued volatility in the weeks to come. The delicate balance of supply and demand will be crucial, and staying alert to these developments will be essential for market participants. Thank you for tuning into Ajay Guru. Stay with us for more in-depth analysis and the latest updates on the global commodities market.